Alrighty, this is February 2nd, I do believe, and this is kind of what things look like around here. Not too bad, I guess, for Oklahoma anyway. Maybe pretty substantial for me anyway. Not as bad as it was one year, but pretty bad. It snowed in. Gotta figure out how to get the snow moved. The helicopter there, people wanting to go over it and see what it looks like. And that's what's on the roof. That's what's on the roof of the truck. That's what I cleaned off last night whenever I was out. This is what I gotta deal with. The driveway's right here. As you can see, there's a truck and there's the driveway. Yeah, there's, as you can see, we haven't had anybody come through to plow. They're not really interested in plowing the streets as of right now, so we kind of have to fend for ourselves, unfortunately. But that's kind of what it looks like. That's the neighbor's house there. You kind of get an idea of the snow that's on it. It's something similar there in the corner. I'm not going to walk all the way over there just for I get a better shot. You can kind of see what I'm talking about. You can see in the corner right above that window. But I guess if I'm going to be moving to Canada, I'm going to have a little bit of experience with the snow, and this is a lot of experience with snow right here. Yeah, you can see the car across the street. It was completely buried yesterday, or at least I couldn't see it. Somebody's already dug out. Apparently, we're not going to do anything here. We don't have the best city management. That they don't really give a hoot about practical stuff. It's the pomp and circumstance and the looks. You know, surface looks. Doesn't matter if we can't get in and out of our driveways, and we pay them to do stuff like plow our streets so we can get out after a winter storm. You know, and I can understand if they can't get people to come to work or whatever because they're stuck, but you know, a lot of those people at the city of Claremore that work in the maintenance department have four-wheel drives, because I see enough of them. So, you know, I don't buy that they can't get people out, but whatever. But this is what I'm looking at. You know, people been running around. Kids probably been out in the snow. That's the neighbor's house over there. The other neighbor to the east. That one was to the west. That's the roof. There. You know, you can kind of see the drift at the garage door and see how it curls off the roof right there. I figured doing a video would be better than trying to take pictures. I might still take a few pictures, but you can see the snow there. I think we got more than 20 inches. I may be wrong, but you know, I don't know how you would measure it, because you got drifts and areas that got more snow than others. But whatever. Anyway, that's kind of my look on the subject as far as snow. There's the snow there. Give it another good look. And there you go. Wintertime and aftermath of a blizzard in 2011 happened February 1st. And this is February 2nd, 2011. There's a school down there. Anyway, there you go.